Hi, this is Tashi, and he is from Kentucky. Growing up, he always heard cool stories from his parents about Bhutan, their homeland. One day, while playing with his cousins near a stream, Tashi struggled to keep up with them. Pema then said to Tashi that in Bhutan, we have a saying, "Whatever joy you seek, it can be achieved by yourself. Whatever misery you seek, it can be found by yourself." It means happiness is something you make, not something you wait for. Tashi tilted his head, thinking about her words. That evening, as he helped his grandmother prepare a traditional Bhutanese meal, he decided to put Pema's advice into action. Instead of worrying about being the fastest or strongest, Tashi focused on having fun. The next day, when they went back to the stream, he laughed as he splashed in the water, even when he slipped and got soaked. His cousins cheered him on, and Tashi realized that joy truly came from within. By the end of his visit, Tashi felt a deeper connection, not just to his family's culture, but also to himself. He carried the wisdom of that Bhutanese saying back to Kentucky, promising himself to always remember that happiness starts from within.